How to convert JPEG to JPG images. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your web browser on your device. Now tap on the search bar. Now type JPEG to JPG converter. Now tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now open up any websites from them. Now select one of the websites. Now tap on choose files. Now give the permissions. Now tap on media picker. Now select the photo. Now tap on convert. Now wait for some time. Now wait for some time. Now once it's done, simply tap on download. Now tap on details. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.